Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal. So today I'm going to do a holiday makeup tutorial for you guys. So I'm going to start with my Revlon Colorstay foundation. This is the lighter one, and then I'm going to mix it with a darker foundation, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte foundation. So I love both of these foundation because I have oily skin, so I need foundation that will stay on all day, and these two are your best bet for a really long-lasting foundation. So I'm just using my Real Techniques, what's this? What do you call this? Miracle Complexion Sponge. And then now, moving on to the brows, I'm using the Detail Makeover Eyebrow Pencil. I forgot what shade this is, and this is just me wearing my earrings because I feel like it looks a bare, so I just needed to add a little bit something on my ears. So this is the Essence Sharpener and sharpening it. Okay, so before I fill in my brows, I always brush them up with spoolie brush, and then so I don't really fill in my brows too much. Just making sure that there's no sparse areas because it doesn't look nice. So okay, but at the same time, of course, I want to fix the shape and making it more clear. Eyebrows on fleek. And now I'm just using the Bench Paintbox Brow Lasting Eyebrow Gel. So I really like this one. I just reviewed this before just for the sake of, you know, the review, and I really liked it. I ended up using it almost every day. It's a good product, and it has tiny fibers that will make your brows look thicker. So I'm just now priming my eyes using the Essence All About I Heart Stage eyeshadow primer. This is one of my favorites. And then I'm using the Imagic 16 color eyeshadow palette, starting with this transition shade. I forgot what shade I used, but you guys have seen me dip my brush in, and so yeah, it's just basically an orangey brown shade, a matte brown shade. So this one is another darker brown shade that has kind of a pink undertone. It's not exactly what I was looking for, but since, okay, so this, I'm just trying to make them the same level because you don't want like weird looking eyes. Okay, so I'm just going back to the first color and then just blending it. It's always nice to go back to the lighter colors and then go back to the darker, so that you'll have a nice blend. So here I'm just using the shade called Sing, and it's just a very metallic shade. I'm just applying this all over my lids, and this one is so pigmented. By the way, this palette is amazing. So just blend, and then we're gonna move on to another palette. I'm using this Nicka K23 Matte Colors palette, and then I'm taking this cool toned dark brown shade, not too dark, and I'm using this since it's not that pigmented. It's nice to contour your nose with, so I'm just using that to contour my nose. And I actually tried to make the eyes look smoky. And then I'm using this Imagic 5 Color Beauty Glitter Palette. This is amazing, and I already did a review on this palette. What's great about this is you don't need a glitter glue for this. I use the gold one, and as you can see, I didn't even use any glitter glue. I just use the product alone, just tapping this on top of my lids, and it works so amazingly. So this one, you know, for the holidays, it's best to wear like sparkly makeup looks, because you know, when it's like Christmas time or New Year's, just lights everywhere, so you want to blend in with a theme, and this is just gonna make you stand out from the crowd. So going back to that matte brown shade, and then I'm just trying to smoke this out on my lower lash line. And then I am going to apply this on top of that glitter eyeshadow that I applied, just to blend the harsh edges. And then I got this like set glitter eyeliner set. It's called Pay and Flare. So I don't know where you can purchase this. I don't know if it's still available, but it's so amazing because you get 5 colors, and it's travel size, so you can just take whatever. So I am using the silver color now, and I'm just trying to create a line on top of the gold. So I just want this look to be like a little bit like outside of my comfort zone, because you know I always like a really nicely blended eyeshadow, but for this look I want to be able to see the line, the glitters I mean. So yeah, I'm using the Revlon Colorstay concealer to cover my under eye circles, because you want to highlight your face as well. So okay, so I'm just blending this. I'm not a big fan of this concealer, honestly, but since it's from the Colorstay line, why not use it? So I am using this concealer to blend the eyeshadow as well. So as you can see, I'm trying to really clean the shape, and as you can see right now, it created that instant cat eye look. So that is exactly what I was looking for. So now using the Makeup Revolution Flawless palette, I'm using that gold one to highlight my brow bone. And I'm sorry if I'm using a lot of different palettes here, but you don't really need to use the exact same palette. All you have to do is just use the colors. I mean, if you have a similar color at home, you can definitely use that. You really don't need to use the exact same palettes that I'm using. Okay, so moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using the Essence Liquid Ink Matte Eyeliner. So this is just a matte black eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer of this on top of on my upper lash line. I'm dragging the color into my inner corners, and I always do this if you make your eyes look more narrow. So I'm just applying a little bit of wing, because actually I don't like wearing thick eyeliner because my eyes are already small and I don't really have enough eyelid space, and I still want to be able to see the lid colors. If I apply a super thick eyeliner, it's gonna look like I have big eyes, and it's gonna take up all the space of my eyelids. Now I'm just using this Taiwan eyelashes. I think this is M14 eyelashes, and I'm just trying to trim this so that it will fit my eyes perfectly. Then going back again to that Makeup Revolution palette, I'm going to smoke out a matte brown shade on my lower lash line, and then for a pop of glitter, again I'm using this Essence Crystal eyeliner, and this is in Rose Brush. So nice. And I think that a gold eyeshadow plus a rose gold eyeshadow really looks so good. And now I'm just highlighting my face some more, because if you're wearing full makeup, it's nice to have a good base, like a good foundation, good concealer. And now, speaking of base, we're moving on to the powder. I'm going to set all of that with the RCMA No Color Powder, and this is literally a no color powder, and that is when we're entering the room. And now I'm using this LOL Eyebrow Powder, and again, I'm contouring my nose. I don't know how many times I contoured my nose in this video, but that is just what I'm doing. I'm using this Prestige bronzer, and this bronzer is huge and it lasts you a long time. I actually haven't purchased anything from Prestige in the longest time, and I actually really love their products. I used to buy a lot of makeup from this brand, but since I don't really have a beauty bar near me, and since I've been ordering my cosmetics and my makeup products online, I haven't been testing out their products lately. So bronzing this up. So if you don't want to contour and you want to add a little bit of dimension on your face and make it more 3D, you can use a bronzer. So this is just the City Color Be Matte Blush in the color Blackberry. I've been using this in so many of my videos. I love this because it's completely matte. And then this is the Maybelline Lip Blush in PKO1. It's just a very, very moisturizing pink lipstick. And I'm gonna show you guys two lip options. This is the nude one. If you guys are into nudes, then you can go for this one. And then the other one is like the one that is perfect for evening look, and it's a red. It's from Golden Rose Long Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade 09. It's a straight up red color, and I actually used a lip liner before that, which is the Matte in Detail Liquid Lipstick. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Happy holidays, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.